See, mutual fund has done a brilliant job of saying SIP sahi hai. But you have to remember, a SIP is an investment in the market. So if you make a SIP investment in the wrong product at the wrong time, you are headed for trouble. So if you had done a SIP investment between 1995 and 2002 for 7 years in India, the return would have been zero or negative. If you had done a SIP investment in mid-cap between 1995 and 2002, the return would be big negative. If you had done a SIP investment between 1994 and 2002, it would have been even more negative. If you had done a SIP investment in mid-cap between 2006 and 2013, the return would have been negative. If you had done a SIP investment in China, in Brazil, between 2014 and 2024, the return would have been a very big negative. So everyone says SIP sahi hai, but if you do investment in SIP in the wrong product, you are headed for trouble. SIP has to be invested in undervalued asset classes. SIP has to be invested in asset classes which will go up substantially. And if you do SIP in the wrong asset class, you are headed for trouble. And the best way to look at it is look at SIP returns over the last 1 year. I think you will get an idea. So when people come and tell me I'm doing a SIP for 20 years, I have zero problem. But you have to do a SIP for 20 years. If you do a SIP for 1 year, if you have done SIP for 1 year, the return is staring at you in the face at this point of time. Go and look at the SIP return of 1 year. Definitely, if you're going to do a SIP for 20 years, it is fantastic. So if you have done a SIP in value discovery for 20 years, that would have been fantastic. Are there investors who have done SIP in value discovery for 20 years? I'm yet to find out, but maybe there will be 1 or 2, or maybe 20 or 30, but I doubt. But if there were 20 years value discovery SIP investors for 20 years, it would be great, but there aren't. That is the problem. The problem is the SIP in value discovery investors stopped doing in 2008, or stopped doing in 2017, or stopped doing in 2020. So is there a value discovery SIP investor for 20 years? The answer is no. If there was a value discovery SIP investor for 20 years, I would be very happy. But I doubt. That is the problem. So SIP has to be done in undervalued asset classes. SIP has to be done in volatile asset classes, but it has to be done in volatile and undervalued asset classes. This is a very important point which no one in the mutual fund industry, in the distribution pairs, is thinking, that SIP has to be done in undervalued asset classes or volatile asset classes. Because the problem is that I went through the SIP data in 2020-21. I found no one was investing enough in small cap and mid cap. That is the worry I have.